Hello. Today felt really neutral. I'm neither excited nor I have to push myself to do something which I have committed before. And it was completely neutral. I had no rush of emotions, no excitement, no procrastinating thoughts. There was no time where I felt like quitting or where I questioned myself like, do I have to do it? Why am I doing this? Do I really have to do it? No, I didn't feel any of that. I'm being honest. So I'm neither emotional, neither pushing myself, and not pushing myself. And it's very easy. Actually, today it was really easy. Today, particularly, it was really easy because earlier in this challenge, days felt really dramatic and days felt really emotional. But today was actually neutral, and today there was a time where I didn't have to say myself or argue with myself, saying like, dude, like you have to do this. So you have to commit for this, and you have to click pictures, you have to do workout, you have to do so and so, you have to do blah 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 blah. You have to capture video. Sorry, you have to record video. There was no single time I had to push myself, and it feels really simple, really. And coming to the part of what I did today, I did ate my 3 meals. I did work out, and I didn't argue with myself whether I have to do this or not, and I just followed my routine, and it was pretty simple. The lesson of the day, I realized that discipline doesn't always have to be hard, and what I realized is that I'm doing these simple things. These are literally simple things which I used to procrastinate and I used to postpone every other thing. Those things were really easy and it could have been done within minutes, within an hour or something. Yet I have to procrastinate it to some other day or some other moment. And it's not fine. And it was, afterwards, it was really hard to cope with things because of the procrastination that I used to do. But now it feels really simple. Like eating 3 meals a day is a very basic thing. And I'm doing this challenge to fulfill that. I feel silly, but you know, that is the crucial point in anybody's life. So if you fuel your body, if you fuel your soul, you will feel energized. You will not crash out in the afternoon, or you will not feel lazy, lethargic for no reason. That is the real deal, man. That is a real deal. Sometimes the routine feels boring, and sometimes the routine feels monotonous. And if you think, that's the actual progress. And the reflection of the day, something felt really peaceful. And I'm not fighting with my mind. So that's the deal. So this is day 10. See you tomorrow. Nothing dramatic, just consistency. Subscribe to my channel if you like the content. And please, please, please feel free to like the video.